In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your Windows 10 computer in just 5 minutes. Formatting your PC is a great way to give it a fresh start, and whether you're doing this to enhance performance or troubleshoot issues, it doesn't have to be intimidating. Let's dive in and walk you through the steps. To get started, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen and open the Start menu. You'll find this familiar button. It's your portal to everything on your PC. Once you've got the Start menu open, your next step is to enter the Settings. Simply click on the gear icon which represents Settings. This is where you'll find all the system options that control how your computer operates. Now that you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Update and Security section. It's conveniently placed among other options, and clicking on it will open up a new range of settings specifically dedicated to keeping your system updated and secure. Within the Update and Security category, you'll find a section called Recovery. Click on Recovery to proceed. This area holds the key to resetting your computer. Here's where it begins to get crucial. Under the section titled Reset this PC, you'll see a button labeled Get Started. Click it to initiate the reset process. It's important to remember that resetting your PC will remove certain apps and settings, so ensure you back up any important data before proceeding. The next screen presents you with a choice: keep my files or remove everything. If you choose keep my files, your personal files will remain intact, while system settings and apps will be removed. On the other hand, selecting remove everything will erase all of your personal files, giving your computer a completely clean slate. Once you've made that decision, it's time to decide on the method of reinstallation. You have two options here: cloud download or local reinstall. Opting for cloud download will download fresh installation files from Microsoft, which requires an internet connection. Local reinstall will use the files already on your device, suitable for situations without internet access. If there are additional settings presented to you, take a moment to review them. Sometimes you might be given further customization options, so ensuring they're set to your preference is a good idea. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset process. The prompts will guide you through the final steps, and once completed, your PC will restart and the process will be finalized. It might take a little while for the system to configure things, so hang tight. And there you go, your Windows 10 computer is now formatted, ready for a fresh new start. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.